The time is 8:18 p.m. Tuesday, August 31st, 2021. The news headline: Embrace repentant Boko Haram terrorists. Senate President appeals to book Borno residents. Amid ongoing efforts to rid the country of insurgency, the Senate President Ahmad Lawan has urged residents of Borno State communities to embrace repentant Boko Haram terrorists while ensuring their reintegration into the society. The Senate President made this remark on Monday when he paid a courtesy visit to the palace of Shehu of Borno, Abubakar El-Kanemi. He stated that this is important for the entrenchment of peace in Borno State and across Nigeria. He noted that the surrender of the terrorists is a good development for the security of this country. Lawan said, "I want to take this opportunity to mention that the federal government of Nigeria will continue to work with Borno State government to ensure that there is a restoration of peace and stability." The recent surrender by Boko Haram elements is a good development to the security of the country, Nigeria. Those that have no issues to answer are sanitized and taken back to their communities, and those that may have issues to answer should be taken through the legal processes. The Senate President Lawal said, "We must ensure that we encourage Boko Haram elements and those they have taken by force to come out to surrender so that this unnecessary insurgency placed on us comes to an end." He further stated that the government should do everything possible to encourage the terrorists to surrender. "I believe there is no need for any controversy over what we need to do with people who surrendered. In any war, in every war, surrender is the ultimate. If you can achieve it, we should do everything and anything possible to encourage more and more to come out so that we are able to come out to end of this unnecessary insurgency that has taken our state back for so many years in terms of development," Lawan added. Recall that the Muslim rights concern known as MURIC joined Borno State Governor Babangana Zulum in appealing to both the federal government of Nigeria and Nigerian army to do everything possible in assisting the Borno State government in resettling and reintegrating Boko Haram and the ISWAP terrorists who are surrendering. The Muslim rights concern known as MURIC, an Islamic group, wants the federal government and the Nigerian army to treat the returning Boko Haram insurgents and ISWAP fighters like brothers newly found, adding that they should be trained in invocations that can enable them to cater for themselves and their families in future. The appeal by MURIC was contained in a statement forwarded to Daily Post by its director, Professor Ishaq Akintola, on Thursday. The statement reads, "Nigeria's northeast war zone has witnessed a dramatic change with Boko Haram insurgents and ISWAP fighters laying down their arms in their thousands. Consequently, the zone had been inundated with an unusually large number of ex-insurgents and former ISWAP fighters. This has created a humanitarian responsibility for the state government. Consequently, the state governor, Professor Babangana Umara Zulum, yesterday appealed to both the federal government and the Nigerian army to assist the state in resettling and surrendering fighters." MURIC joins the hardworking Governor Zulum in appealing to both federal government and Nigerian army to do everything possible in assisting the state government in resettling and reintegrating. A governor who spends most of the day with troops at the war front and most of the night walking around the city, visiting hospitals and teaching in classrooms to ensure that all sectors are working and needs to be supported. We lay emphasis on the fact that peace making is cheaper than fighting wars, while meaningful development and growth can only occur in a peaceful environment. The federal government should therefore go out in ensuring that it is the radicalizing process accompanied by stomach infrastructure and economic resettlement. Boko Haram insurgents and ISWAP fighters who are surrendering should be resettled and trained so that they can enable them to cater for themselves in their families and their families in the future. The time is 8:24 p.m. The analysis. The President of the Senate, known as Ahmad Lawan, has recently urged the residents of Borno communities to embrace the Boko Haram who have just surrendered, and that they should make sure that they are reintegrated back into the society. Just of recent, the President of the Senate paid a courtesy visit to the Shehu of Borno State, Abubakar El-Kanemi, who recently lost a brother. And during this visit, he stated that it is important for the entrenchment of peace in Borno State and across Nigeria, that since the terrorists have surrendered, then this indicates that it is a good development for the security of the country, because for every war, the ultimate of the war is that the enemies or the opposition surrenders. Lawan said that he wants to take the opportunity to mention that the federal government of Nigeria will continue to work with the Borno State government to ensure that there is a restoration of peace and stability. It is also known that the decision by the Borno State government to reintegrate over 1,000 repentant Boko Haram into the society has generated annoyance by some internally displaced persons in the northeast.